How to log in to Rocket Money account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in to the Rocket Money account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for Rocket Money login. And now here, once you search for this, simply click on the first link in the result page. And once you click on that, you'll be prompted to the official website of Rocket Money. So now here, once you see the interface like this, simply click on the login option which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the login page of Rocket Money. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply click on the email text box and here simply enter your email address. And now here, once you're done entering your email, just click on the password field. And after that, simply enter your password. And now here, once you're done entering the password, you can simply click on sign in option. And after that, you'll be logged in to your Rocket Money account. But here, just in case, if you ever forget your password, then you can just click on forget password. And after that, you can simply follow the on-screen prompts and follow the instructions to reset the password. And that's it. That's how you can log in to the Rocket Money account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.